That means you are factorizing this. Therefore, 1 plus x is taken as common factor, will get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus y. Here there is 1, here 1 plus x has taken as common factor, 1 plus y. So, the variable has to be separated. After factorization, so the variable has been separated. That is, taking this 1 plus y to other side, therefore integral of dy by 1 plus y is equal to integral of 1 plus x into dx. Now we know that 1 by x is log x. Therefore, dy by 1 plus y is log 1 plus y. Integral of 1 is what? X. Integral of x is x square by 2. So after integrating all this x, we have to put some constant, that is called integral constant. So we have converted the differential equation into an ordinary equations. So this is the solution of this differential equation. Example 2. Solve 3 into e power x tan y into dx plus 1 plus e power x into secant square y dy equal to 0. So here the variable is combined, that is x and y are mixed together. So we have to separate dx separately and dy separately. So for that purpose, here 3 e power x dx belongs to x variable, but tan y is some other variable. Here 1 plus e power x is some other variable with respect to dy. Therefore, we have to divide tan y into e power x. After dividing this, automatically this equation will be separated. Therefore, integral of 3 into e power x by 1 plus e power x into dx plus integral of secant square y by tan y into dy is equal to 0. Here tan y will be get cancelled, so dividing by 1 plus e power x. Here 1 plus e power x will be get cancelled, therefore we get tan y. So after that you have to integrate this. Now we know the formula in 11th standard, that is integral of f dash of x by f of x is equal to log of f of x. So when you differentiate the denominator, if you get the numerator value, then take the log of the denominator value. So that is the rule that we have studied in 11th standard. So here I am taking e power x by 1 plus e power x to dx. This integration I am taking. So here this is an f of x, whereas this is f dash of x. Why? Because the derivative of 1 is 0, e power x derivative is e power x itself. Therefore, what's the integration is log of 1 plus e power x. Therefore, 3 into log of 1 plus e power x. The same rule can be applied for the next integration also. What is tan y? Derivative is secant square y. Therefore, we get log of tan y. Since we are having log on the left hand side, therefore we can introduce log c. We can use c also as well as log c also. Why you are using log c? To convert the differential equation, that is to convert the equation into ordinary equation in the standard form. So that is why you are using log c here. So according to the power rule, we can take this power to the numerator. Therefore, log of 1 plus e power x the whole cube plus log of tan y is equal to log of c. Now we know that in logarithm, log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. Therefore, log of 1 plus e power x the whole cube into tan y is equal to log c. Therefore, these two values are equal. Therefore, 1 plus e power x the whole cube into tan y is equal to c. So this is a solution of this differential equation. Example 3. Solve x square minus y into dx plus y square minus x into dy is equal to 0 if it passes through the origin. Now here x square minus y multiplied with dx. So therefore, if you multiply this dx and dy in this equation, the variable will be separated. Now let us look into this problem now. X square into dx, y into dy. Here y square into dy minus x into dy equal to 0. Now after multiplying this equation, we can see that we have got x square dx and y square dy separately. So dx with respect to x, dy involved with y. Whereas here y dx and x dy is there. So taking these two terms to the other side, we get x dy plus y dx. Now in 11th standard we know the rule, that is d of xy is x dy plus y dx. That is derivative of uv is equal to u into dv plus v into du, that is uv dash plus vu dash, is it not? So this same formula can be applied here. So what is x dy plus y dx, which is nothing but d of xy. So we can convert x dy plus y dx means it is converted into d of xy. So here we cannot change the variable, so we can apply this rule. Therefore, then we can integrate throughout, we will get x square integration is x cube by 3, y square integration is y cube by 3, whereas d of x, what is integral of d of x is x. Therefore, integral of d of xy is xy itself. Therefore, what's the integration of d of xy is xy. So we can consider this is a single variable here. Now, this equation is a general solution. So this is a equation is reduced to an order equation. So putting some constant, it is unknown constant, therefore this is called a general solution. Why? Because the c may be anything. And moreover, in this problem it is given that the equation is passes through the origin, that is 0, 0. Therefore, substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the above equation, in the general solution, we will get the c is equal to 0. So substituting c is equal to 0 here, we will get x cube by 3 plus y cube by 3 is equal to xy. On reducing this, we will get x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. So what is the c value? 0. So this is called a particular solution. So for a particular value of x and y, we are getting a particular equation. So this is called a particular solution, whereas this is called a general solution. So what is a particular solution for this differential equation is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3xy. Example 4. Solve x square minus y x square into dy plus y square plus x y square into dx is equal to 0. So from this differential equation, we can take x square as common factor. Here we can take y square as common factor. Therefore, x square into 1 minus y into dy plus y square into 1 plus x into dx. Here the variable is not being separated because x square is multiplied with dy, y square is multiplied with dx. So therefore I am dividing by x square y square. After dividing by x square y square, automatically this equation will be separated. Now let us see here, x square will be get cancelled, 1 minus y by y square into dy. Here y square will be get cancelled, 1 plus x by x square into dx is equal to 0. Now it has been separated, the variable has been separated. So we have to split these terms in order to integrate this. Therefore 1 by y square minus y by y square. Here 1 by x square plus x by x square. Here 1 y will be get cancelled, here 1 x will be get cancelled. Therefore on integrating this, 1 by y square minus 1 by y dy plus integral of 1 by x square plus 1 by x dx equal to 0. We know that 1 by y square is minus 1 by y and 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So only the variable is different, the integration is the same. Here 1 by y is log y and 1 by x is log x. So applying this integration here, we can have 1 by y square is minus 1 by y, 1 by y integration is log y, 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, 1 by x is log x plus some constant. Now rearranging this equation, we get log x minus log y is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus c. So what is log x minus log y? Log x by y, applying the quotient rule into logarithm. Now take the LCM for xy, x and y is xy is. Therefore y plus x by xy plus c. So this is the general solution of this differential equation. Example 5. Solve cos square x into dy plus y into e power tan x into dx is equal to 0. Here the variable has not been separated here. So for that purpose, I am dividing this y cos square x throughout. Therefore, this equation will be reduced to dy by y plus e power tan x divided by cos square x into dx. Now the variable has been separated. So in order to integrate this, you have to rearrange the terms. Therefore dy by y, what is 1 by cos square x? 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So I am changing this 1 by cos square x secant square x into e power tan x into dx equal to 0. Now after that you have to integrate to convert it into ordinary equation. Therefore dy by y plus e power tan x into secant square x dx plus equal to 0. Now what is dy by y is log y. Now here we have to use the substitution method. Now we can take tan x as z. Therefore dz is equal to tan x derivative is secant square x into dx. So what is secant square x dx? That becomes dz e power z. So we get integral of e power z into dz is equal to 0. So it becomes a very simple integration. What is e power z integration is e power z itself. Now what is z is? Z is tan x. So replacing z by tan x. Therefore log y plus e power tan x is equal to c. So this is the general solution of this differential equation. Example 6. Solve the equation y dx plus x dy is equal to e power minus xy into dx if it cuts the y axis. We know that y dx plus x dy is d of xy. So when you see the differential equation, we have y dx plus x dy. So there we are replacing with d of xy. Therefore this becomes d of xy is equal to e power minus xy into dx. Again the variable is not separated. Now therefore I am dividing by e power minus xy. So when you divide by e power minus xy, we will get d of xy by e power minus xy is equal to dx. So the negative power taken as positive power. Therefore e power xy into d of xy. Now here xy is considered as one variable here, that is t is equal to xy. Therefore integral of e power t into dt is equal to dx. Now this becomes a very simple integration, that is integral of e power t is what? E power t itself. Dx is what? X. Therefore e power t is equal to x plus c. Now replacing t is equal to xy here, therefore e power xy is equal to x plus c. Now this equation is called general solution because there is an unknown constant c here. Now moreover the curve cuts the y-axis which is given in the problem. So what is the y-axis equation is x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, substituting in this equation we will get e power 0 is equal to 0 plus c. E power 0 is what? 1. Therefore c is equal to 1. So replacing c is equal to 1 in the general solution, we can have the particular solution, that is e power xy is equal to x plus 1. So this is a particular solution of this differential equation. Example 7. Solve x cube plus 3x y square into dx plus y cube plus 3x square y into dy is equal to 0. Now here you have to multiply this equation. So multiplying with the dx and the dy, we will get x cube dx plus 3x y square into dx, y cube into dy, 3x square y into dy. So here we are multiplying this dx and dy in this terms. Now after multiplying this, we can see that x cube dx and y cube dy is a separate variable, whereas 3x square y dx, 3x square y dy is not separated. Now here we can take 3xy as common factor, we will get y dx plus x dy. We know that y dx plus x dy is nothing but what? D of xy. Therefore the above equation is reduced to x cube dx plus y cube dy plus 3xy into d of xy. Now this is converted to what? D of xy. So put t is equal to xy here. Therefore 3 into t into dt. What is x cube integration is x to the power of 4 by 4. Y cube integration is y to the power of 4 by 4. What is t dt integration is t square by 2 plus some constant. Now replacing t is equal to xy here. X power 4 by 4 plus y power 4 by 4 plus 3 xy the whole square by 2 equal to c. So multiplying throughout by 4, we will get x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus 6x square y square. So we are squaring here 6x square y square equal to c. So this is a general solution of this differential equation. Example 8. Solve dy by dx is equal to sine of x plus y. Let z is equal to x plus y. Now substitute z is equal to x plus y here. Before that, you have to find what is dy by dx is. So first of all, you have to differentiate this z is equal to x plus y with respect to x on both sides. Therefore, dz by dx is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. So taking this minus 1 to the other side, dz by dx minus 1 is equal to dy by dx. Therefore, dz by dx minus 1 equal to sin z. What is x plus y? Is z, therefore it becomes sin z. What is dy by dx is? It is dz by dx minus 1. So replacing this value here. So dz by dx is equal to 1 plus sin z. So I am taking this minus 1 to the other side, which becomes 1 plus sin z. So considering 1 plus sin z is one particular variable. Therefore, by dividing this 1 plus sin z, we have integral of dz by 1 plus sin z is equal to